From the smallest needles to the largest planes, steel is seen everywhere. Steel is a metal alloy made of iron and carbon. Its high tensile strength and low production cost make it ideal for many important uses. Furthermore, stainless steel contains special alloys that protect against rust and corrosion. Steel has changed nearly every aspect of the modern-day world. From bridges and buildings to cars and appliances, this versatile metal alloy is used everywhere. Because of its great recyclability, it is the most significant material of the future sustainable society. Making steel is also highly carbon-intensive. According to 2018 data, making 1 metric ton of steel results in 1.8 metric tons of CO2 emissions, and steel production accounts for about 8% of global CO2 emissions. Nearly 3/4 of crude steel is made from iron ore in blast furnace basic oxygen furnace plants. These plants release carbon when coking coal is burned and used as a reducing agent. Steel industry is evolving to counter the CO2 emissions by taking decarbonization measures like 1. Electric arc furnaces were traditionally used for scrap steel. However, some companies have developed a technology that uses electricity to transform iron ore into molten iron, with oxygen as a byproduct. 2. Green hydrogen is now replacing coal in blast furnaces and producing water, instead of CO2, as a byproduct. 3. Carbon capture, use and storage is being used to safely store or repurpose carbon produced during steelmaking to create new products. 4. Less carbon-intensive fuels such as natural gas and biomass is also being tested to marginally reduce emissions from steel production. However, some of the decarbonizing projects are still at the pilot stage, which may emerge in large-scale solutions.
Another element is that the steel sector has actually one of the largest CO2 reduction levels per unit of zero carbon electricity. This is because the fuel switch in the steel sector is either from coal to electricity in the case of secondary steelmaking, or from coal to renewable hydrogen. And the CO2 reduction potential is greater than in many other sectors per unit of zero carbon electricity.
As it adapts to the demands of the future, it stands as a beacon for aspiring engineers seeking to make a meaningful impact. Conducting industry-academia conclave and offering mentorship programs, internships, and opportunities for hands-on experience will appeal to young engineers who seek impactful and challenging roles. The steel industry continues to evolve, driven by a commitment to innovation, sustainability, and inclusivity.